Assalamu alaikum to all my dear viewers. I am Professor Shoaib Hashmat with a YouTube channel, namely English Innovator. So, previously I delivered my two lectures on my channel, and I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel. And today is my third lecture. So the previous two lectures were on present indefinite tense and active voice and passive voice of present indefinite tense. So today I am going to deliver my lecture on present continuous tense. So let's start with it. So my dear audience, I am now starting with present continuous tense. So I think it's imperative for us to start with the use of present continuous tense, that where this tense is used in our practical life. So here I will tell you about certain uses of present continuous tense, and then we will move towards its construction, and in the end we will uh, even make sentences of active voice and passive voice with present continuous tense. So our the first part of our lecture consists of its use. So the first use of present continuous tense is that it is used to express an action that is going on. The first one is that it is used to express an action that is going on. For example, we are walking on foot. He is writing an important essay. So these are the two examples of the first use of present continuous tense. I hope that it is clear to all of you. Now moving towards the second use of present continuous, that it is used to describe an action not happening now but happening around the present. This is the second use of present continuous tense. So I would like to cite here a few examples. For example, what he is doing these days. Or the second sentence is, he is compiling a dictionary these days. The third use of present continuous tense is that it is used to describe an action that is planned for future. That is planned for future. So examples, for example, they are coming to see us tomorrow. They are coming to see us tomorrow. And the second example is that he is constructing a house the next month. So this is the third use of present continuous tense. Coming towards the fourth use, that it is used to describe repeated action or habit. For example, he is always roaming about the streets. The second example is that Soleh is always working. The third one is he is always putting questions. So the fifth use of present continuous is that it is used to describe consistent habits. For example, Ahmed is all the time reading books, or whenever I see you, you are playing cricket. So these are the five uses of present continuous tense. So after describing the five uses of present continuous tense, here I would like to mention an important point, that certain adverbs are also used with present continuous tense. For example, nowadays, these days, at present, at this moment, at this time, or these days. For our convenience, we can guess the idea that these adverbs are used with present continuous tense. So this is all about our first section of present continuous tense. Now moving towards the construction of present continuous tense. Now coming towards the second most important part of this present continuous tense, that is its construction. So far as the construction of present continuous tense is concerned, we use subject first and then we use helping verbs is, am, are plus ing form of verb and then in the object. So s plus is, am, are plus ing form plus object. This is a construction in affirmative and declarative sentences. So far as negative and interrogative sentences are concerned, we use not after the helping verb and we use these helping verbs before the subject. For example, Mr. Shoaib is eating rice. Mr. Shoaib is not eating rice. Is Mr. Shoaib eating rice? So this is a simple example which I have put before you. Now, coming towards the most important thing of this present continuous tense, that is active and passive voice. If a sentence is given in active voice, so how will we change it into passive voice if this sentence falls in the category of present continuous tense? So far as the changes are concerned, majority of the changes will remain the same as I have mentioned in my previous lecture on present indefinite tense. So as far as this present continuous tense is concerned, we will make use of being over here. For example, he is playing cricket. This is a sentence on present continuous. So here we will use cricket is being played by him. So being will be used, whereas the other changes remain the same. So thank you very much. In the end, I request you all to subscribe, share and like my channel. I will be sharing other tenses and passive voice and other topics of grammar as well. So I am looking forward to your positive responses as well as for your subscription. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.